This is a story about a very big giant in the consumer electronics industry, one that would change the game and raise the standards, but just when things begin to look good for the industry, would fizzle into thin air and just disappear. This is also a story about a man who turned a small metal workshop into a billion-dollar manufacturing empire that would shape the industry. It all starts with a man called Tokuji Hayakawa. Tokuji Hayakawa was born on November 3, 1893, in Tokyo, Japan. Orphaned at an early age, he faced immense challenges growing up. However, his difficult start in life only fueled his determination to succeed. Being an apprentice at a metal workshop as a teenager, Tokuji quickly displayed an exceptional skill for craftsmanship and innovation. His journey to becoming one of Japan's most influential inventors and entrepreneurs began with a single brilliant idea. In 1912, at just 19 years old, Tokuji invented a groundbreaking mechanical pencil. At the time, pencils were fragile and cumbersome, requiring constant sharpening. Tokuji's creation, named the ever-ready sharp pencil, solved this issue by incorporating a replaceable lead mechanism. His invention allowed users to write smoothly without interruption, making it immensely practical. The pencil's success didn't come overnight. In the early days, Tokuji struggled to sell his invention. He opened a small factory in 1915 to mass-produce the pencils and devoted himself to promoting them. Despite initial resistance, the sharp pencil began to gain popularity, especially among office workers and students in Japan. The pencil's name, Sharp, would later become synonymous with the company's identity. In 1923, tragedy struck when the Great Kanto earthquake destroyed Tokyo, including Tokuji's factory. Many would have given up, but Tokuji saw the disaster as an opportunity for a fresh start. He relocated to Osaka, a city known for its entrepreneurial spirit, and rebuilt his business. This move marked the beginning of a new chapter in his career. By the 1930s, Tokuji recognized the need to diversify his product range beyond pencils. He began exploring the rapidly growing field of electronics, inspired by advancements in radio technology. His company initially produced simple components like belt buckles and water faucets, but Tokuji's ultimate goal was to innovate in the consumer electronics sector. In 1925, Tokuji's company developed Japan's first crystal radio. This marked its foray into electronics manufacturing, and by the 1940s, the company was producing more advanced radios. The shift from mechanical products to electronic devices laid the foundation for Sharp's future. After World War II, Tokuji's company, now officially renamed Sharp Corporation, fully embraced electronics. In 1953, Sharp began producing televisions, responding to Japan's rapidly growing appetite for modern technology. The company's TV sets were not only affordable, but also known for their reliability, helping Sharp establish itself as a household name. In the 1960s, Sharp entered the global market with a focus on innovation. One of its landmark achievements was the development of the world's first all-transistor calculator in 1964. This portable, battery-powered device revolutionized office work and personal computing. Sharp's calculators became a global success, further solidifying the company's reputation for cutting-edge technology. Under Tokuji's leadership, Sharp continued to innovate. The company invested heavily in research and development, exploring emerging fields such as semiconductors and display technology. In 1973, Sharp introduced the world's first LCD calculator, paving the way for the modern flat-panel displays we use today. Sharp also expanded into home appliances, audio-visual equipment, and solar energy. Tokuji believed in creating products that improved people's lives, a philosophy that guided the company's growth. At this point, everything seemed to be going smoothly. Then came the cold hands of death. Tokuji Hayakawa passed away in 1980 at the age of 87, leaving behind an enduring legacy. After Tokuji Hayakawa's death in 1980, Sharp Corporation transitioned from a family-led enterprise into a professionally managed global company. This period marked significant growth, driven by bold investments in cutting-edge technology, but also challenges that eventually led to its near collapse and restructuring. In the 1980s, under the leadership of executives like Isamu Saigusa, Sharp became a pioneer in LCD technology. It invested heavily in research and development, establishing itself as a leader in consumer electronics, including calculators, TVs, and microwaves. Sharp's LCD calculators and early flat-panel displays gave it a competitive edge. The company also partnered with organizations like Nintendo to develop gaming-focused TVs and other innovative devices. Sharp expanded its dominance in the 1990s by introducing revolutionary products like LCD TVs, which became synonymous with its AQUOS brand.
Versatile.
It also ventured into solar technology, becoming a leader in photovoltaic cells. Sharp's ability to innovate allowed it to maintain a strong presence in the electronics market, even as competitors emerged globally. By the early 2000s, Sharp's focus on LCD technology intensified, with major investments in state-of-the-art factories like the Kameyama plant. These facilities were designed to produce high-quality LCD panels, positioning Sharp as a premium brand in the TV market. However, competition from South Korean companies such as Samsung and LG and later Chinese manufacturers led to an oversupply in the LCD market, eroding Sharp's profitability. Other brands like Sony and Panasonic were also affected by this market invasion of Chinese products. Sharp faced financial strain as its heavy investments in LCD technology coincided with plummeting panel prices. By 2009, the company recorded its first net loss since going public. The global financial crisis and missteps in diversifying its business compounded Sharp's challenges, and its TV market share fell, well, sharply. By the mid-2010s, Sharp was on the brink of bankruptcy. In 2016, Taiwan's Foxconn acquired a 66% stake in the company for $3.5 billion. This marked a turning point as Sharp shifted from being a Japanese-controlled firm to becoming part of a global manufacturing giant. Before exiting much of its consumer electronics business, Sharp Corporation faced significant challenges, particularly in its TV and display divisions. At its peak, Sharp's revenue reached $34.5 billion in 2008, driven largely by its investment in LCD technology. However, intense competition from companies in South Korea and China, such as Samsung and BOE Technology, caused Sharp's market share and profits to decline. By the time it was acquired by Foxconn in 2016, the company had been struggling with financial losses and falling revenues. Sharp's decision to exit the TV display business was finalized in 2024, as it shifted focus toward artificial intelligence and advanced consumer electronics to recover from ongoing losses. In year 2022, Sharp reported net sales of 2.35 trillion yen, approximately 17.2 billion, leading to reduced dominance in the global electronics market compared to its earlier years. Today, Sharp Corporation continues to honor Tokuji's legacy by developing innovative products that shape the future, from advanced televisions to energy-efficient solutions. The company's journey is a testament to the enduring spirit of its founder, who started with nothing but a dream and the determination to make it a reality.